Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They done fucked up now. Uh-oh. They done hooked up now. Oh. They done sent your boy to Bronc. They want me to try it out. I'm gonna run this mother to the ground. You understand me? I'm gonna really see how I get down with the get down, and I ain't gonna sugarcoat nothing. So we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna do a few climbs with it, let you know what I'm feeling about it, and maybe they'll shoot me the new one. There's already a new one, y'all. You gotta keep up. You gotta keep up. The tattoo game is fluid. It's fluid. You gotta keep up. Here comes the Bronco with your ink slinging cowboy.
Welcome to the candy shop.
Ink slinging cowboy. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging cowboy. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging cowboy. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Slanging cowboy. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ooh. Instructos. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nice. Good weight to it. All right, let's cue this thing up and see what that Bronc life is like. You got the Bronc pin, comes with an adapter if you want to use your cord, or you charge these up. Everything comes, I like the nice little case. So I'm gonna charge these up and we're gonna get this thing going.
Palm trees, purple trees, another day in the atmosphere, 360 degrees, 24/7 around the clock. If it ain't about the.
Right, so I'm gonna take this Bronc and I'm gonna have my tattoo schoolers use it for the very first tattoos, and I'm gonna see how it holds up and give y'all an honest review, not just me holding this and being like, hey, this is cool. Nah, I'm gonna put you sent this to me. You know what I'm gonna do, okay? I'm gonna give you an honest review, none of this bull crap. So y'all stay tuned, we're gonna put this to the test, and at the end, I'll let you know what's up. Holla at your boy, ink slanging cowboy.